Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Time for a love read. Now Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Pisces, what's going on in your love life, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now in your love life. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being here again. And if you're new here Pisces, we welcome you to do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, as always, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side will be for your partner, and in the center we'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. And Pisces, for me, this is person A, this is person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately know which side is yours, right? So the cards I have on the table, wait one second, let me finish putting the spread down. All right. Bottom of my deck, I have the Seven of Cups in reverse. So no longer confused, Pisces. Either you're not, or maybe your person is not. Some choice has been made. All this confusion is now in the past, it seems. Or maybe somebody wants to come out of this confusion. Let's see what's going on here, then we'll get a better idea of this. So, Pisces. From what I feel here, with the King of Pentacles and the Five of Swords on this side, and the Emperor and the Ace of Wands in reverse, I feel there was somebody here who knew what they wanted, I think. I think person A did have a plan. They did have a plan. A good person. They had a goal in mind, but I think was playing mind games here. They somehow wanted to keep control of person B, play mind games, and maybe direct the situation or the relationship, or maybe there was some kink here with this King of Pentacles where they always wanted to be right, or they wanted to be always the one who would always have the upper hand, let's put it this way. Whereas person B is taking back control of their life here. They're no longer feeling that same pull that maybe they felt towards this King of Pentacles in reverse. But I do see this King of Pentacles now wanting to still fight for this connection. I could be wrong. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, and then once we clarify all these cards, we'll get a better picture. So Pisces and their person, spirit. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person. One more, thank you. So Pisces, let's take a few more from here. These are the true confession cards. Let's see what's really going on here. Pisces and their person, spirit. Pisces and their person. All right. So Pisces, let's start with your reading. So somebody is losing hope in this connection now, just as I said. Or maybe somebody was expecting somebody to be really powerful and take control of their life and of the connection. But right now, I think they've been somehow redirected back to themselves to say, hey, I must take control of my own life now because there's nothing here. So somebody is losing hope in a connection, maybe, most probably because somebody made a decision which was not for the best of the connection. So let's see. I'm so sorry for the mind games I played. Wasn't that just what I was suspecting, Pisces? Somebody was playing mind games here, trying to always feel like I'm the boss. I know it was wrong. See? I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was wrong. I'm angry with you, but really I'm angry at myself. I try to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. I cried all night, wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. The way we are so in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. I have anger issues. I'm working on them. Again, same thing, right? I don't think I can handle this anymore. The same as I'm losing hope in this connection. So somebody is saying, enough, I can't, take all these mind games forever. I'm losing hope in this connection. I've been belittled. I've been made to feel embarrassed. Been made to feel that I lost. I've always been made to feel not appreciated. I can't handle this anymore. You deserve to be loved, and you are very special. Oh, yes, absolutely. Everybody deserves to be loved, that's for sure. And it's not fair for one person to put the other person down and make them feel unworthy or unloved, right? So let's see what's going on, Pisces. Let's start with the energies of person A. Forget person B for a minute so you don't get confused. I'm just going to read the energies of person A. Now, Pisces, this could be you. This could be your partner, right? The person we are discussing here. So, King of Pentacles, Spirit. King of Pentacles. Yes, this King of Pentacles was creating illusions around this scenario, maybe because they didn't want to commit, or maybe they were not interested in a long-term partnership. They tried to play some mind games and trickery and whatever, they knew what they should be doing. What they should have done was take charge, be the provider, or take care of their partner. But instead, they ended up playing mind games and mind games. So, Five of Swords, Spirit. Five of Swords. Five of Swords. Yes, they didn't put in any work. This person was only playing mind games, tricking their partner, not taking responsibility of a connection, and that's the reason this relationship finally came to an end. Death. Because of somebody's trickster ways, not putting in work and playing mind games. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Eight of Cups in reverse. What's this Eight of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Eight of Cups in reverse. Maybe somebody tried to return and maybe requested their partner to put their barriers down. Yes, but they were still maybe not ready to make a decision, or maybe their partner picked up their sword and said, hey, you've always done this to me. You've never made a decision for us. Even though you want to come back in, I don't think I'm interested anymore. I've got my boundaries up and I've closed my heart to you now. So I think somebody may have tried to return, or maybe will try and return now, but they may be faced with a feminine who's very angry, who's got their boundaries up now, and maybe now got their swords against their chest now, because they've never been made to feel emotionally happy. So what this feminine is saying, if you're going to come back to me for nothing, then you might as well not come at all. You've never brought me happiness, emotional happiness. There's been no promise for long term. Then what are you doing here? Ten of Cups, Spirit? Yes. Yes, so what this feminine is saying, I think, is who could be person B, is that I don't want to be in this stressful place where I'm always the one sitting and trapped in my mind and thinking and worrying, and each time you come back into my life, maybe it backfires on me. I never end up feeling this happiness which I so crave. So it's better that either you speak the truth now. Or, you know what? So how does person A feel about the connection now? Person A feels that somebody's dropped them now. 10 of Wands in reverse. They feel their partner's already dropped the burden, dropped the relationship, and has, yes, there's no more love here, has dropped the idea that, you two can be soulmates now. That's how person A feels about person B or the connection. They feel somebody's totally dropped them now, doesn't have any loving feelings towards them, and they feel that this is the right thing for them to do. And this is justice, right? Because when they had the chance, I think person A never did the right thing. They were busy playing mind games. So justice, spirit. Why does person A see this connection and this person as justice? Yes, they see, they see that person A is no longer fighting for this connection anymore and is no longer taking any action towards this connection either. They feel, person B feels that this is the way to bring justice. If you didn't give to me, then I'm not excited about you either. And they also feel that maybe person B has now dropped them and ended this soulmate connection. Even though I think they, heart of hearts, want to return, they are a little afraid of this Queen of Swords here. They feel this entire thing has backfired on them now, and because they never offered happiness in the first place. They were so busy playing mind games. Alright, so what action they will or will not take, we'll open later, Pisces. Let's go on to the other side. Emperor in reverse. Sorry, upright. Why does person B has... Yes, person B has become very intuitive now. Very, very intuitive. They're listening to their intuition. I think they've gained control and power in their own life now. Person B has kind of picked themselves up and said, I'm not going to wait around for somebody to play mind games with me, even if they're coming back, till they don't show me that they can prove to me they can actually be a good partner. I'm not even going to trust them. I'm busy taking care of myself now, and this time I am going to listen to my intuition as to not have this backfire on me once again. Okay, so Ace of Wands in reverse, spirit. Yes, they don't want to be made into a fool again. This person is not taking any, person B is lost their passion, not taking any action because they don't want to be fooled again by person A. And that's exactly how person A was feeling. They knew their partner is not taking action and not fighting for this connection anymore, remember? And having dropped them now, dropped them, not waiting for them anymore. That's exactly how person B is feeling. I'm not even passionate about this person anymore, or at least I'm not going to show them, because last time they made a fool of me, or many times over, and I am going to listen to my intuition now. I'm going to take back power, take back control of my life. So what happened in the recent past, spirit, for person B to become the High Priestess now? Two of Swords. What happened in the recent past, spirit? Yeah, some decision was made recently, I think, by person B itself. They made a decision to drop this connection. Exactly how person A is seeing it, right? They made a decision to drop, taking on all the burden of this connection. They may have been the only one who was carrying everything in this connection. Where that person was busy playing mind games, person B was the one who had all the pressure of keeping this connection alive, right? So in the recent past, I think this person wisened up, person B. They made a decision, hey, I'm not going to fight for this connection anymore. I'm dropping this load. I'm not going to waste the rest of my life sitting in regret, sorrow, looking back at the past. I think I can turn around, and maybe there are 2 cups here waiting for me for new love. Why am I wasting my time? Why am I wasting my time and emotions? So either Pisces, if this is you could have already reached that conclusion, or you are in the process of recognizing how important you are and how important your life is, right? Maybe somebody made them always feel less than here. Maybe person A always made person B never appreciated, never, loved or liked or important. They were always made to feel this way. And I think person B, who's been listening to their intuition, has finally figured out that it's time to take back power, take back control of my life, and not be fooled by person A anymore. 6 of Wands, Spirit? Yes, they were never appreciated, they were never offered happiness of long term. This 10 of Cups was never offered to them, right? Nothing stable, nothing to go on with. And they're saying, then why am I the one who's always looking for a reconciliation, who's always looking for a reunion? I think I'm going to stop as well. Okay, so how does person B now see person A or the connection? They feel person A is a liar. They feel person A does not speak the truth. They never bring any clarity to this connection, and they don't speak their truth basically. And it's time now to walk away from this connection. What's the point of being with somebody who's never ever going to come towards them, be the first one to reach out, clear the air, speak the truth, never lie to me? If somebody is not going to do that, then it's better that I simply leave this connection and walk away. Basically, the trust is lost now. And they also see this relationship as having become really stagnant, like nothing is moving. Unless the only time I think it moved was when person B made an effort. And even then, person A was only playing mind games or, So, Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think person B is happy now to maybe turn their back on this connection and say, I'm walking away, I'm no longer waiting for people who are not going to be authentic in my life. I'm not wasting any more time. Yes, this person B, who I think is the feminine here, seeing the High Priestess and now the Queen of Wands, has suddenly realized, hey, I'm the prize. I'm the one who can make heads turn. I'm the one who can have anyone I want. I'm beautiful, I'm sexy, I'm, a go-getter, and anybody should be happy to even, maybe shake my hand. And what the hell am I doing looking back and regret and sorrow for a person who's always hurt me? Never really stepped up to the game. Okay, so what action will person A take now, Spirit, regarding this connection? Now it's their turn. Now it's their turn to go through the dark night of the soul, stress, worry, not being able to sleep. Yeah, but will they take any action, Spirit, after all this? 9 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 9 of Swords. Now they're stuck at crossroads. Now they may be watching, waiting, planning, and they don't know what to do. Yes, because now they think karma has got the better of them. They feel, I don't think my person's going to allow a second chance now. I'm now stuck in no man's land. This person is worrying, stressing, and bearing the brunt of their own bad deeds, I think. So will they eventually take any action, Spirit? At least for this next coming week. They don't know how to work on this anymore. This person is very, very stuck. All they can do is have sleepless nights and worry and wish, but they really don't know what to do now, what work to put in. They don't feel that they are going to be given a second chance now. So, person B, will you be taking any action? Strength. No, person B is in their power now. They can tame a lion. I think they are shutting down this chapter and maybe starting a brand new one. And they've used their own strength to do this, I feel. Am I right, Spirit? Person B? Person B? Too many cards. I'm going to put these back. Any action coming from person B, Spirit? Yeah, they don't feel that love anymore. No, at least not for now. They feel that I've been so unloved. I've never been shown any love. I'm going to hold back now. Maybe I'm going to start a brand new chapter now and see what else is out there. Maybe somebody's making a decision not to offer love to this past person. Yes, they know 100% what they want in life. What they want is a 10 of cups. They're not going to settle. The same 10 of cups that person A never offered them. This is their goal. They're going to stand strong and proud and know they do deserve it. And they feel, okay, if the past person was not offering, I'm sure there's a new beginning for me somewhere else. So while person A will stress and not know what to do, person B is, I'm very proud of person B, whoever you are. I think you've kind of taken back control, taken back charge, and found self-love and self-worth. What's this 7 of cups in reverse, Spirit? 7 of cups in reverse. No, see, I told you, coming out of confusion. They're not going to sit in that confused place, for life and say, what should I do? Will they come back? Will they won't? They're looking for somebody who is going to be honest, a clear communicator. So they are never ever in this place again. Okay, so let's see what happens next week. But as of now, there is somebody stressing out because they know what they've done. And person B has now picked themselves up to say, I'm not going to be fooled again. Either you come to me correct with clear communication. Maybe we can have a new cycle here where you do offer me now this 10 of cups. Otherwise, I'm holding back from you now, moving on to somebody new. All right, so that's all I have for you, Pisces. Hope it worked for you. And I'll see you on the weekend now for the Love Bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.